Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel after a long time. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a lead magnet funnel, right? Let's go. Let's go. Welcome students. Now materials needed for this class is just a system platform. I have shared the link in the bio or in the description below. You can get 34% off any year plan. So you can pause this video, go ahead and sign up and come back to check how you can create a lead magnet funnel. Okay. So basically, lead magnet funnel is about 3 steps. The first one is capture the email. Then the second step or second funnel is sending a thank you page. In the same page, you can have a button with download files, or you can say just thank you. You'll receive an email. Then the lead magnet itself you can be sent by email, and this can be automated, right? Using this platform I just shared with you in the link in the bio. Now, third step is optional, where we can send them after that. You have few seconds, or you have a button to take them to the next page, whether it's a main blog or main page, depending what you are doing e-commerce, or you sell funnels. If you are selling digital products, right, you sell into a sale page. So let's go. Please watch to the end, and you will enjoy this. And I have a little gift for you who watch this in the end. Okay. So you go, just click just go and click the link in the description, and then you sign up. You're gonna see this page dashboard. So from the dashboard you need to go here in the top bar and then click on sell funnels. Should take you to this page, right? So I'm gonna show you how to do from scratch, and I'll show you one of the example, the one I have. Now click and create. Now before all this you need to have a domain name, so make sure you just check one of them. If you do, if I have, or you can check other creator, but I will make it differently. I'll make video how to connect your domain to this system. So now like I have 2 domains, so I leave it by default. System will give you this any name. You can change that name from the setting, and then .system.io, you can change that part. Okay, and now give it any name. I'm going to say test. Okay, now for creating a lead magnet funnels, so what you need to do is squeeze page, right? Collect an email address or build an email list. So for this we're going to choose this option, build an audience. This will automatically show you uh, pages where you capture emails, okay, or squeeze pages basically. And then if you go down, you choose your currency here, okay, then click save. Now what I want to do is you just click on it, okay. If you go here, you can view it, and then you cannot view anything now because you haven't created anything. And you can share that link. Basically, you can duplicate that link to some other accounts. Okay, duplicate it within your account. Share it to other people's account, or duplicate it to another account. Then you deactivate. You need that, for example, if you don't need it, you no longer need it, or temporarily you don't need it, then you might need it later. You think about it, and then you have setting. Same setting we just created, you can change it here, like the name and the domain name and the currency. Now click on this, and like I told you, step configuration by default they show the pages for the lead page. If not, you just scroll down until you find the correct. So I like click on 30, show all of the 30s available or per page. Then go down. So you just need to go scroll more down, and then click next. So here you go. This is one of the option. But for landing page, I like to make it more simple. Okay, I click preview this one, for example. This kind of one can be it, but this is very long for me. Oh, this is actually new templates, guys. Now I might pick this one now. Let me just show you. So if you click on view funnel steps, and here you go. So you can still do some changing. If you don't like this, you can only do change page template, and then you go back from the again. Now what you will do is click So by default, look, it created a second step. Thank you page. We will add another step, but before that, let's finish that one. So leave as is and go click on edit page. And so once he opens this for you, so let me quickly explain if you are completely new to Systeme. So in the left side, we have all the elements you need to drag in and drop. It's very easy to use. You don't need anybody to do it for you, because drag and drop basically it. And here blocks is pre-made blocks. Basically, you choose what you want. If you click on it, you show an example features. You see, you can drag and drop. Then you can change the colors and the images. Okay, don't worry, you can change every bit of it. Now, team presentation, you show a team. Then you can change the picture to your own team. uh okay, and price plan. See, this price plan, you can drag and drop it. So it's really great tool, guys. It's underrated tool actually. I'm going to show you how much use they have, okay, in the end of the video. Now, you don't need to drop anything. If you do from scratch, then you might need to drop some stuff like the rows and stuff, and then you bring the text. But since they have pre-made templates, we choose that one. We just play with this one and change it. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is delete this header. Since this is a landing page and capture an email, you want to distract your users. Okay. So take this off by hover to it and then delete it. So if you made a mistake, you can just click back and then go back, because I deleted the whole section. So when you hover somewhere and it shows in green, that this is a big container. So you want something smaller, something like blue or orange here. So I'll go for the blue because I don't need all this section on top. Okay, now we need to change this one to the image, the font, to something related to your product. Okay, so let's find what we have first. So delete that. And if you click on this one, you can upload file from your own PC, or if you have somewhere else. Okay, so now I already have it on STME, so I'm just gonna click cancel, click on your image, because already now I'm just gonna pick one of the image I already have, a lead magnet. For example, I want to do this one. Okay, you can do this through Canva, the animation. So I set this lead magnet. So next, you change the heading, because this is very important. Okay, to have high converting heading. So make sure you grab the guide blue, the free guide. Okay, so let's say free free master affiliate marketing. Okay, just say leave this one. This is a master. Okay, so let's see how how it looks now. Master affiliate marketing in buyers classes. Okay, general community. So now what you need is email. Honestly, first name, last name might put some people off. Is the option. It's up to you. So I would take that off. You can always insert if you need it, and take this off. Last name, name. We just need the email, right? So you can see, always make sure hover over and wait, because if you delete this, you need to put in again. Always you can press this button to go back. So now I don't need this row, right? The whole row I don't need it. This is one row inside it, two rows. Remember, it has a name and last name. That's it. Send to my inbox. Okay. Sweet, sweet. Now here you can leave it if you want to somebody, but personally I'd like to remove it all. So highlight the green big section. So everything in the bottom. You can leave this part if you want to remove it, and here also want to remove it like now. So this is inside the big container, right? So I'm just gonna carefully highlight it one bit by bit. Now I want to remove this section and then delete. Okay, make sure it's blue or orange. Okay, green, you need to confirm it. Green, if you highlighted the bottom, then it's okay, because you want to move everything in the bottom. you might put this back because you need the footer. In fact, you don't need a footer. Okay, so everything can go. So the more you clean, the less distraction your user will be, especially when you're capturing a lead magnet. Here you go, and that's it, done. What you need to do is now click save in the top right corner, and that's it. Now you need to exit there. So I click on view, okay, just check everything was fine. Don't worry about that. See, they can see your lead magnet. You see what it is. The headline is very important, guys. Make sure you have high converted headline. Then here, boom, you can remove this if you don't want to. So now I can go back. I can exit that. Now, so the funnel is basically step, funnel going one direction to another direction, right? Now the second step is thank you page. So let's select one of our thank you page to match our branded. We always can change the color. So I'll click select. Now click edit page. Before that, let me show you your path. You can change your path after the slide, right? So something you want. If you are focusing on SEO, then it's perfect. So I'll click edit page. Just gonna show you quickly. Again, you don't need this top. But for thank you page, sometimes I have something like that as well, because I can, after that, since I have the email, I can direct them to different places, right? Like my course or to my an ebook or to my blog. So this is optional. I'm gonna leave it, but if you want to remove it, it's very easy. Remember, not the whole container green. No, just when it's like this, they click delete, right? Just gonna show you. Now I say thank you for your trust, my friend. Blah blah blah. You just change here the text here to match it. Now check all please. I'm gonna change that to. So you can change text for the bomb in the here in the left side. So I'm gonna show you now how. Let's click it again, and it should say. So open URL. Depend if it's on a drive, then you can open URL and you put your Google Drive, for example, or I would say download file. So they have an option. I can do the email too. I'm gonna show you, or I can say download file. Now click here. Your files. I already have files, so I'm gonna say affiliate marketing. So this guide is affiliate marketing guide. So I'm gonna give them that for free, an example. So once they click on it, it's automatically will be downloaded to the BC affiliate marketing, right? Now, and here what I like about this, like I told you in the beginning of the video, so you can direct them to your blog page, to the main blog page, or if you have an offer or a product you want to sell, you can direct to that too. Okay, so now since I'm doing digital products, I can say claim $5 offer, right? I can make one of them my $20, $27 product for $5, or like one time deal, right? When who like special discount. So I can click on it. Now open URL, next step URL. Okay, so you have to add a step from the configuration. So okay, step, save it, exit, add a step, name sale page or already the sale name, offer, and then type. So here's the option for the type. So up 10 is already like squeeze page. Now you scroll down to the sales page or the blog, depend what you're doing. If you're doing webinar, then is option, and for the information page, here you can choose these two or contact us page, right? Okay. Now if you choose this, you can have additional 2 steps, but if you want it straight away one more step, then you go for this option here, form. Save it. So sell page, offer, and then click save. So unfortunately I've exceeded my limit, but you can just follow the same step, choose your perfect a sale page where is pre-made templates already available for you. Then you need to edit to your offer, and then this will be a different video because it's another long process for that. So if you find this valuable, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you can subscribe to my newsletter where you can get access to my whole lot of files on my Google Drive for free. Thanks for watching, and see you again.